Today, we're exploring Palladyne AI Corp, NASDAQ, PDYN, a trailblazer in artificial intelligence solutions for robotics and unmanned platforms. Recently, Palladyne AI's stock has experienced significant movements, capturing the attention of investors and analysts alike. Let's dive into the latest price action, the factors driving these changes, bold price predictions, and what the future may hold for this innovative company. Palladyne AI develops advanced AI software designed to enhance the capabilities of robotic and unmanned systems across industrial and defense sectors. Their AI/ML platform enables robots to observe, learn, reason, and act in both structured and unstructured environments, pushing the boundaries of autonomous technology. As of December 27, 2024, Palladyne AI's stock price surged by 53.67%, closing at $11.20, up from $7.29 on the previous trading day. This marks the fifth consecutive day of gains, with a cumulative increase of over 100% during this period. Several developments have contributed to this remarkable stock performance. Successful autonomous tracking flight. On December 23, 2024, Palladyne AI announced a significant milestone. Their AI software enabled a third-party small drone to autonomously identify and track terrestrial targets. This achievement showcases the practical applications of their technology and has generated substantial investor interest. Expanded partnerships. In November 2024, Palladyne AI broadened its collaboration with Red Cat Holdings to integrate AI capabilities into Teal drones, enhancing autonomous operations. Such partnerships are pivotal in extending the company's market reach and technological impact. Positive earnings reports. Recent quarterly reports have exceeded market expectations, indicating robust financial health and operational progress. This financial performance has bolstered investor confidence, contributing to the stock's upward trajectory. Now, let's talk stock price predictions. Based on recent developments and industry trends, here's what we see for Palladyne AI, short-term, 6 months. Given the recent partnerships, successful technology demonstrations, and increased investor interest, the stock could reach $15-17 per share. This would represent another 30–50% increase from current levels. Mid-term, 1 year, if Palladyne successfully secures more partnerships, particularly in defense or logistics sectors, we could see the stock climbing to $25. This assumes continued revenue growth and further technological milestones. Long-term, 2–3 years, for the boldest prediction, if Palladyne achieves broader market adoption of its AI platform and becomes a major player in the autonomous system space, the stock could potentially hit $40 or more. However, this assumes steady execution, favorable market conditions, and no significant competition setbacks. Why these predictions? 1. The AI and robotics market is projected to grow at a CAGR of over 20% through 2030. 2. Palladyne's focus on defense and industrial robotics aligns with high-growth, high-margin sectors. 3. Their early adoption of partnerships with established players reduces development risk and accelerates market penetration. Of course, these predictions depend on Palladyne continuing its momentum and delivering on its promises. Looking ahead, Palladyne AI aims to 1. Advance AI integration. Continue enhancing their AI platform to support a broader range of robotic and unmanned systems, driving innovation in autonomy. 2. Expand market presence. Leverage strategic partnerships to penetrate new markets and applications, solidifying their position in the AI and robotics sectors. 3. Focus on R&D. Invest in research and development to maintain technological leadership and address emerging industry needs. The company's commitment to innovation and strategic growth positions it well for sustained success in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Palladyne AI's recent stock surge reflects strong market confidence driven by technological achievements and strategic partnerships. While the stock has demonstrated impressive gains, potential investors should consider the inherent volatility in the tech sector and conduct thorough due diligence. Nonetheless, Palladyne AI's advancements in AI-driven autonomy make it a compelling company to watch in the coming months. What are your thoughts on Palladyne AI's recent developments and stock performance? Share your insights in the comments below. And don't forget to 1. Subscribe for more analyses on emerging tech companies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.